Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel with another service share. This came in for a get started. It's been sitting for a while. It's about 4 to 5 years old. It's manufactured by Tizow Company with the Wolf branding on it. So the customer brought it in and said, hey, get it started. I'm going to be using this at the Burning Man event. So I'll tell you what we found, you guys. So it needed a carb clean, vacuum lines, and spark plug. So that's why it was not starting. So if you guys have similar issues, and I've mentioned this numerous times on my other videos that I made on if my scooter bogs down, you have the loss of power. Now this would be whether it's a QMB 139 49cc like this one is, or it's a GY6 150. The fundamentals are always the same, you guys. You start with fuel delivery, then you look at spark. This one again, it was the carb cleaning, spark plug, and vacuum line. So it's always important to check those vacuum lines, you guys. They create a lot of problems. A lot of these Chinese scooters I found over the years, they don't use the highest quality vacuum lines on these scooters. So it's always good to upgrade your vacuum lines eventually on your scooter, just so you can alleviate that as a problem. But that's what we found on this particular one. It's going to be at that Burning Man event. If any of you guys are going to be at Burning Man and you see this particular scooter there, this is the one we serviced. So I hope you guys find this well. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.